Tired of dead batteries and cheap watches? Meet the Citizen Brycen Chronograph. The last watch you'll ever need. Ever found yourself scrambling to replace a watch battery, only to realize you've spent more on the replacement than the watch itself? It's a frustrating cycle that we've all been through. But what if there was a solution that could stop that endless loop of battery replacements while delivering a high-quality, stylish timepiece? Enter the Citizen Men's EcoDrive Weekender Brycen Chronograph, powered by light, any light. This innovative design eliminates the need for traditional batteries, giving you the freedom to enjoy a watch that's always ready to go, without the hassle or waste. The Citizen Brycen solves one of the biggest annoyances of traditional watches: dead batteries. Thanks to EcoDrive technology, the watch is powered by light, meaning it never needs a battery change again. Whether you're basking in sunlight, sitting under office lights, or even while indoors at night, this watch keeps running without requiring you to replace a thing. This innovation not only saves you time and money but also reduces the environmental impact of disposable batteries. With EcoDrive, you get the ultimate convenience wrapped in a stylish, long-lasting design. But what about quality? Is it really durable enough for everyday wear? Absolutely. The Citizen Brycen features a stainless steel case, black aluminum-plated bezel, and a sturdy leather strap that's designed to stand the test of time. It's water-resistant up to 100 meters, so you don't have to worry about it getting ruined in the rain or during a swim. The durable mineral crystal protects the watch face from scratches, and the luminous hands ensure you can tell time even in low light. This is a watch built to keep up with your busy, active life. Perhaps the most challenging part of owning a watch is finding one that's both stylish and functional. With its sleek stainless steel case, brown leather strap, and light brown dial, the Brycen is the perfect blend of modern elegance and practicality. Whether you're dressing up for a formal event or relaxing on a weekend getaway, this watch complements any outfit. The 1/5 of a second chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes, 12 24-hour time format, and date function provide all the features you need in a timepiece without sacrificing style. Finally, there's the issue of peace of mind. How many times have you bought a watch, only to find that it's unreliable or falls apart after a year? Citizen's 5-year limited warranty, or 6 years if you register, ensures you're covered for the long term. With the Brycen, you can trust in the craftsmanship, the EcoDrive technology, and the durability. This isn't just a watch, it's an investment in quality and convenience that will last you for years to come. Say goodbye to battery-powered frustrations and hello to your new, light-powered Citizen Brycen.